Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today project is 99 F350 7.3 diesel, big old thing, 4-door dually, you name it. Anyhow, we're gonna put some exhaust on it. It's just a simple bolt-in exhaust system, but nevertheless I figured I'd do a video on it and give you any tips that I run across as far as difficulties installing it. So how I started this is I undid the clamp for the downpipe right off the turbo to start with. I really don't want to lift this thing up and down 5 times, so I undid that, and I'm going to crawl underneath of it with it relatively low to the ground, see what I can figure out as far as undoing the old exhaust just to get it out. Then I'll start by putting the new downpipe onto the turbo first, and then I'll assemble everything from front to back. So I bolted the downpipe, and then I just let's turn the light on here. I just cut the exhaust off right by the clamp where it goes into the muffler. I got the downpipe out. I had to take the cross member out because it won't, the transmission cross member, because the downpipe will not fit out. It sticks out too long. You can see this one is the new one. The old one came out to about right where my hand is here, so it's quite a bit longer. Not a big deal, because I found out that to get this damn new one in there, you got to unbolt. I don't know if you can even see that up there, but you got to unbolt the transmission dipstick tube. It is right in the way. So I unbolted it and moved it out of the way so that I could get the downpipe up there. So while I did all this, I grew a half a brain, and I got the clamp up onto the turbo and got this kind of half-assed in place so that way it'll stay here. And so now my objective is to try and get that bolt back onto the transmission dipstick tube. And I'm going to be completely honest with you. I put the cross member on and I started putting pipe on here, and then I realized I forgot to put that damn bolt in there. So learn from my mistake, don't do that. Now I did take the heat shield off that's above here just to get better access to it, because you really can't see that up there with the downpipe in the way, and it's just a whole lot of stuff going on. So to take the heat shield off is 6 bolts. It's pretty damn simple. All right, so I got the downpipe in there, and I got the rest of the exhaust system in here. It's pretty straightforward. A couple of regular clamps. The kit comes with the hangers, and there's another one, and then the rest of these are band clamps, which I'm not really sure why I didn't run band clamps there, but you know, that's what the instructions say. So there's the muffler, and up over the exhaust, or up over the rear end, and then right out the back of the truck. That's what it looks like coming out the back of the truck. Not too bad. All right, as a side note, when you get the long pipe that goes from the downpipe on after the downpipe, go ahead and do the muffler and tailpipe and get it set up. On that particular truck, I found that that taking, according to the instructions, it says that you need to go ahead and put this pipe in here, which it didn't fit. All right, guys. Well, thanks for watching my video. I really appreciate it. And if you get a chance, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button. And we'll see you next time.